Welcome to SwipedOn Desks Administration. This video will show you how to access and configure your virtual desks and floor plans. To access SwipedOn Desks Administration, just sign into the portal using your SwipedOn Details or Office 365 account. Here, you can view, edit and create your office locations. Let's create a new location by clicking on Add New Location. Complete the name of your office, the address, the time zone, and upload a photo of your office by clicking on Choose File. Now, let's create a new level or floor for our office. Click on Add New Level, enter your floor name and display order, then hit Add Level. We can now create our bookable desks. Click Manage Desks and create your desk by clicking Add New Desk. You can name your desk and choose the type of desk and resources available. You can even upload a picture of your desk. Let's upload our floor plan and add our desks. Click on Create to open the map editor. Upload a floor plan. This can be any image format, then crop your image to the perfect size. Now that you've uploaded a floor plan, the desk can be added to the floor plan by clicking on the blue circle and dragging them onto the map. Clicking on the X removes the resource and adds it back to the list. Labels are automatically added. The labels can be displayed or hidden by clicking the eye icon and can be moved by simply dragging them or double-clicking the label. Additional labels can be added by clicking on the T icon. And that's it. Please reach out to us at support@swipedon.com for further help.